Getting started with WireSocket is super easy. Just visit the WireSocket website and sign in using your Google account. Now, once you have logged in, you can select your desired workspace to work in. Click on Create New Flow. Here we will select Airtable as the trigger. And we will choose New Records Created option as the event. I'm already having a connection with Airtable, so I'm selecting my connection ID. But if you haven't connected to Airtable yet, click on Add New Connection. To create a record in Airtable, open your Airtable account and navigate to your chosen workspace. Select the appropriate base and table. Now start creating a new record by entering the information. So, the information that Airtable will ask for is your lead name, contact information, company name, lead source, status, follow-up date, conversion deadline, and many more. And here, if you think that the required information is not necessary, so you can skip that. Now, once you filled all the details, configure the Airtable trigger. Return to WireSocket and select the same Airtable workspace and table where the new record was created. Run a test to ensure the trigger detects the newly created record. Here is the new record that you have created. Click on Create to move forward. To configure the action in Sangam CRM, choose Sangam CRM as the action application. Select Create a new lead as the action event. If you have previously connected Sangam CRM, select your existing connection, and if not, click on Add a new connection and follow the authentication process. For assistance, refer to the detailed video tutorial linked through the information icon. Select the desired fields you want to include, like name, email, designation, phone number, description of the lead, and also the lead source. Now, after selecting all the desired fields, start mapping all the relevant fields required for the lead generation. Here I am mapping the lead name, email address, and here designation and phone number. I am skipping this part because this is not necessary. And here I am giving the description of my lead by selecting the name, lead source, and whatever information about the lead I am having. And also give the lead source. Once done, test the action to review the flow response. So this is the responses of my flow. Then click on Create. Configure your workflow. Test your flow and go back to Sangam CRM to verify that the lead has been created under the lead section. So here you can see the lead that I have generated is on Sangam CRM. Return to WireSocket and click on Publish Changes to activate your flow. So with this integration, any new record added to Airtable will automatically create a lead in Sangam CRM, allowing for an efficient workflow. Thank you for watching.